Hi, future billionaires. This is Finvest Alert, your one-stop channel for getting alerts of detailed tutorial videos on how to make money online. Now you don't have to worry about searching for the right keywords or prompts to use while searching for a well-detailed financial tutorial video. Finvest Alert got you covered. Today, as usual, we have interesting videos for you and where you can find them. Therefore, sit tight and grab a cup of your favorite beverage. Let's dive in. Today, we have an amazing tutorial video alert that will get you prepared for making stress-free remote money next year. Sit and watch to the end. After the internode, you will hear from the horse's mouth.
If you've been wondering what affiliate marketing is, where and how you can get started. By the end of this video, you will have a head start on affiliate marketing. It will no longer sound utopian to you. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. And this is probably going to be one of the most important videos I have posted on this channel. I understand that it's not everybody that wants to start their own business. So this is a great way you can start without committing to all of those business processes. You can do affiliate marketing from anywhere in the world. This is free education. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And subscribe to the channel. This is my inspiration. That means thank you. So get a notepad and a pen because class is in session. Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to promote other people's products or services and get paid a commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases that product or service. Basically, you get paid a piece of the pie of the money. As a matter of fact, in most affiliate programs, you get paid more than a piece of a pie. You get paid by basically talking about someone else's products or service. With affiliate marketing, it's honestly optional to show your face or not. You can choose to show your face, you can choose to go faceless. I have created a group for serious-minded individual who wants to earn passive income through affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to join this private community, send me a message on WhatsApp using the link in the description. Please, this is not for everybody. This is for serious-minded people only. So in a nutshell, this is how the system works. You post about a product or a service on your platform. The customer clicks on your unique link. The customer is sent to the ABC store through your affiliate link. The person makes a purchase of that product on the store. The affiliate network records the purchase and details of the transaction. The transaction is credited. You get paid your commission, rinse and repeat. And the circle continues when another person clicks on the link. So if you really want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, then you want to answer these questions. I asked you to get your notepad and your pen. Number one, what product do I want to promote? Who is my target audience? Where is my target audience? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. How do I get their attention and make them buy this product? I promise you, if you answer those questions correctly and intentionally, you are on your way to making passive income weekly. These are questions I answered myself. So this video will help you answer those questions. If you skip any parts, that's on you. You will get nothing. But I want you to get something, so stay with me. There are three parts of a successful affiliate system. Number one is the merchant. The merchant is also called the creator, the seller, the owner of the product, the vendor. They are the first part of the affiliate marketing business. The second part is the affiliate marketer, which is you and me, who promotes the product or multiple products so that we can get traffic, clients, or buyers to the products created by the seller or the vendor. Now to the third part, which is the buyer. Without these people, there will be no affiliate marketing. They are the consumer of the product. They are the ones that will buy the product so that we can get paid a commission.
The name of this channel is Akpan. The title of the video is How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Remember to leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next alert.